एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगः स योगद्वयात् कर्मज्ञानमयाद्भृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेमप्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिर्निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभ। एवं भूततया भास महाप्रणः हि bhaktyabhihitah is a compound word. Both bhasa mahapranah becomes bhaktyabhihito because of sandhi. Yogaha visarga changes to su there. Saha yogas saha because of sandhi. Saha visarga is dropped. Yogadvayat is a compound word. Karma jnana mayat is a compound word. The th in the end changes to d because of sandhi. Bhrishottamataраha is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Karma jnanamayad bhrishottamataраha because of sandhi. Bhrishottamataраha becomes bhrishottamataро because of sandhi. Yogishwaraihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to repha. Giyate. Yogishwarair giyate because of sandhi. Saundaryaika rasatmake is a compound word. Twayi khalu khas mahapranah. Prema prakarsha atmika is a compound word. Bhakti hi bhas mahapranah. Vasarga changes to repha. Nishramam. Bhaktir nishramam because of sandhi. Eva. Nishramameva. Vishwapurushaihi is a compound word. Vasarga changes to repha. Labhya bhas mahapranah. Vishwapurushair labhya because of sandhi. Ramavallabha is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktyabhihito yogassa yogadvayat karma jnanamayad bhrishottamataro yogishwarairgiyate सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेमप्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिर्निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभा। निष्कामन्नियतस्वधर्मचरणं यत् कर्मयोगाभिधं तद्दूरेत्यफलं यदौपनिषदज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी। निष्कामं नियतस्वधर्मचरणं is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Nishkaman niyataswadharmacharanam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Yat niyataswadharmacharanam yat because of sandhi. Karma yoga bhidham is a compound word. Bha and dhar mahapranah. Tat, the tu changes to d because of sandhi. Duretya phalam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Tadduretya phalam because of sandhi. Yat tadduretya phalam yat because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of ya. Yat, the th changes to d. Aupanishada jnanopalabhyam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Yadaupanishada jnanopalabhyam because of sandhi. Punaha. Tat tu avyaktataya is a compound word. Tattvavyaktataya because of sandhi. Sudurgamataram is a compound word. Chittasya. Sudurgamataram chittasya because of sandhi. Tasmat, the th changes to d because of sandhi. Vibho, bhamaha pranaha. Tvat prema atmaka, prematmaka bhaktihi, bhas mahapranah. Tvat prematmaka bhaktihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to repha. Eva, tvat prematmaka bhaktireva because of sandhi. Satatam, swadiyasi, श्रेयसि निष्कामन्नियतस्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्मयोगाभिधं तद्दूरेत्यफलं यदौपनिषदज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी।